Good day, welcome to Martinez Design. In this particular project, we are going to discuss how to design interior of a living room. So I hope this video benefits you. After you've watched, please kindly subscribe to our channel and at the same time share and comment whatever your opinion is. So let's dive into the project. So let's say the client once sent a picture to me and he said I should bring out the architectural procedure of this because he wants to use it to do calculation. So this is the picture of the whole project. Now you are not seeing these ones because we toggle of this particular, so you'll be able to scale it down to appropriate level. This is not the original, but this is just what is sent. That's okay. Just let me draft out plan. So we are going to use Revit to create all these things and bring interior aspect of this living room out. So we just want a beautiful aspect. So he measured the whole area with hand and sent it to me. So I want to use that particularly to train you everyone. So you go back to architecture and you create your wall. That's a normal design that we want to do. So if you are an interior designer, Revit is the best for you. Revit is actually the best for any kind of design you are doing. So do not be hesitate to use Revit on daily basis. Our promotion to do Revit is sacrosanct. So calculate the wall. So from one that is 27 plus 90, that is that would be 4,600. Click enter. So from here you create similar thing. So the same way 180 plus 200, that's actually going to be, so you recognize that by clicking here and you type it 180, that is 4,000. So that is square. So you create them together and you have what you need to have. So now if it's okay for you, so but you can change the pattern because I just use interior pattern and things like that. So you can increase this and do whatever you think is okay for your doing. So that is it for this area. I'm going to increase this part into, let's say, I've got this one was around 4,600 then, right? Yes. So that is it for that aspect, your plan, your purpose. So you reduce this again or you take it to somewhere else, you can be saying what you want to do. So now you do what you need to select and know the actual things you are doing. In architecture, in Revit, what you need to create next is to create your floor, and that is slab. So you create that and put it around that space. So the reason why you likely love Revit for is because of mechanic accuracy of dimensions. Unlike when you are using 3D Max or something like that, to give you a lot of headache. So material quantitative and everything in Revit we handle it. So that's why everything here we are going to handle that in this particular project. So you go here now and pick a door. So let the door be represented where they need to. So you put door here. At the same time another door is there. That's according to what plan is being presented to you. So I don't know, it didn't give me the dimension of this one, but just position it where you're supposed to position that. So I'm done with this now. The next thing is to arrange the furniture and see how far I can go. And I have some furniture here with me in this project. So if you do not have any furniture, you can just, like I always use a Vray. Most especially my humble is that I always use a Shower Cosmos, which is one of the best when you want to get a very good rendering interior. So you take your time, let everything be load, and that is how it works. So for that, you'll be able to look into the various angle of what you are designing, especially the color combination, the color selection interior is very attractive, and that is the reason why you need to pay more attention when you are doing that vigorously. The moment your color is being jeopardized in interior decoration, a lot of things go wrong. And if a lot of things go wrong, then the interior will look so much bizarre, and that is not what you want. So let me say, bringing Cosmos into this, we are clicking here. Under that one, there is a silver here. I'm going to click this silver, and I'm going to use to say import it into my project. So it's going to load outrightly by clicking on it once again. So it's loading outrightly on it. So the moment you put it in the, can you see? So you place it here according to what you sent to you. So you put it there, control here, and set the second one here. So that is it for the aspects for you. So is there any other thing that you want to create that you are not seeing? You can do them on your phone. Like this one, I'm cutting this one. So I want to create a center rod. And how do I create a center rod? I'm not going to use what is it called? I'm going to use my own baseline techniques, and I'm creating another one here by say floor and architecture. So from here I'm going to create that particular, I don't know, just like 2 6 by, it's too big, and you say 2 6, let's just use 1 5 by 3. So that's done for that area. So here you need the bar up so that you'll be able to see it. So raising it to like 50 will be too much. I'm going to say let me use 20 mm, and I'm clicking OK with that lamp. So it said that something else has already been there, but we are still seeing it. So from the material, I want to use material from Vray to justify this. So if you are the one that are having issue with material selection, this is how we go about it. So I'm going to introduce, I say, asset editor. So when you have asset editor, know that the materials are not here. Materials are here. The only thing you need to do is to extend the arrow at this part, and you extend the arrow here, and everything will come to life. So from there, you'll be able to do your work according to what you want to do. So here you have a leather. The leather for you, the fabric are for you. So this fabric now we can make use of them to create our rock as we want to create in that place. So how do we do that? You click here, you select any fabric that you know that okay, this is the fabric for you that you need, and you want to use it to create what you want to create. So like this particular one, carpet, I'm looking for rug. So if I didn't find rug, it all depends on what you are looking for. Like I said, so fabric pattern, so wood and wool again, so scale reflex. So these are the mesh fabric. So you make use of anyone that you know that suitable for you. So I'm going to use this particular one, green leaf. So I'm learning it, I'm dragging it here. It's going to take time to load, but it's going to load. Get what I'm saying? So it's taking time to load itself. Now you have it here now. So this is it. So now you can control whatever you want to control from here. The color, you can decide to change the color to something else if you wish. If you don't want that color again, you decide to change it. If you want reflection of coats or something, you can do that, and every other thing. So if you are having issue with this You can refab and change the UV replacement. All these things are going to work for you, and before you know, you get it done. So now, how do you assign all this into a portion of what you have done? That's what we want to do here. You select this. Go and change the material activities from what? From Revit. So let's just like close this down a bit. It's still there under this point. So you click here and say edit. Edit this material by duplicating it because it's another difference. So you edit this one now and change the interior to wall. So interior wall, what did you do in the interior wall? Click that, and here particularly you have click on it and duplicate it. So when you duplicate this one, you just like adding a wall. So interior wall, just say Vray. So any material you are using, make sure that you are putting Vray there because that's where you're going to change and adjust whatsoever you are doing. So this is it, and you click OK, click OK, click OK. So at this point now, you click back to this place, let it be expand. So here is what you need to do, and do selection of all the materials you have decided to choose for yourself. So how do you work on this Vray? On the Vray manager, appearance manager, select that as well. Appearance manager will allow you to choose what you have already taken. So this is the place you are going to. The name of that thing is fabric, which you have already chosen. What is the fabric? So here is it. So in this place, this is the Vray of what you have chosen. So here you select. After you select, then you choose the fabric, this particular green light. Yeah. But before then, let me first show us what you have done in the colorful way before we proceed, so that you will not be confused that maybe I've done it before. I just decided to change my idea. This is what I'm doing. But here, select this. Can you see that everything is green? So you see this one. So that's how it is. So you select here now. I come here, bring everything to non outside. So select this one because we have already selected this Vray wall. Then you select fabric. So as you've done that, it's done and dusted. So now that you are not going to be seeing it here, you're going to, when you want to render it, then you see the rendering aspect of it, and everything will render back in what you want to do. So let's do a little bit of test rendering and see what we have done, whether it's right or not. So go back to Vray. Click on render, click on this, click on the camera, say camera, and select camera from here and click. So camera here, click for you. So you just want to render a space. You still set a camera in a normal way. You have to send a big camera to the room that every aspect will be captured. So here is what we have done here, and you click here on the Vray and come to production and say come to yes, and say render. Just want to do quick render and see how far. Can you see? Automatically change from the floor. You know, when you are seeing it in Revit, see the floor together with whatever. So here now the floor is different and that one is different, but that's how it works. So you will change to work peacefully, you see. So that is the green you have chosen, and that is how the green blow out. So if you decide to remove this one from here now, like say delete this, and you will render this particular one, pause it and render again, you will see. Can you see what you have done? Come back to material in Vray. So on it back.
So when you do that again, off it and on it again, you see the whole thing come back to so that is just the plain little for what we want to do here by now. So you have the idea of how Vray work with this. This is a quick reaction. So the later on we are going to set the whole lighting and every expression accurately. So that is how you work, and that is how it
will flow on daily basis. So pause it, close it, and fix your, what is it called, property, fix your, so you need to fix every other aspect of what you are doing, most especially your architectural design procedure. So that is the basic thing we want to discuss here. So by now you have done this, you are introduced to the main level of advanced design. So after you have done with this, the next is that you position everything the way it's supposed to be according to what he has sent to you. So after which then you can use your initiative to put color, put everything